fly out of one car roof just so. No, sir. I can't pinky that. I can't pinky that.
A pinky for real in Ashley. A pinky for real fly out of the roof I care. A wagwan with I my top right or so I can go check on her.
Hey, Pinky. No, sir, Pinky. Oh, you had salsa. So because your name orange today, that no mean so you did have to drop her off a tree.
You take everything for joking, Ashley. You take every single thing for joke. Me nearly pop my bone and all I can did do a laugh but orange a drop off a tree. Give me a hand, man, and help me to get up. Cha. Oh, hey, lad. Cha no star, me feel like me hip.
So, Pinky, you never eat no breakfast this morning. I hold you one so light. Or you just fly off of the car roof just so and just chop a ground boof like a wild orange. How happen? No, sir, Pinky. You light like a sheet of whistler. No, sir. Girl, you need some lamb pile with cornmeal porridge. Can't stay, sir.
No, sir, I know because of the breakfast so me not eat. You know, see your Pinky nice, little and clean and petite. Because the breeze really heavy when damn me taramp up the man. No, sir, I tell you, Star Ashley. Right now, the whole of me hipper hot me bad. I hope better than no say I have my $2,500 for give me when time me done with this campaign business aim. Because all of them I think I'm going to have to go through. No, girl, it never worth it. I have to put something on that the $2,500 because all this I drop ya. Ah, boy, me hipper had me.
Bad too bad. It would have really look away if you get the $2,500 after that the big old drop there. And I have to go squeeze her $100,000 upon it still and make she get the 3,500. But after all, I can still have one careless 15 bills worth of fair money if you put it in my pocket. So long up, I can give her $1,000 still. Bad too bad.
Miss a politician man, wagwan. I come to you to get my little dividends, you know. Cause them can't wake me up early in the morning so me figure vote. So me ready for go vote, but me want my little dividends first. Cause me have to go put on my little pot later, me nah no money. So just give me my little one, make me go around at the polling station go vote.
But yeah, say man, mommy. They not bribe them, mommy. We not bribe if we go vote. But I don't know them say encouragement sweeten labor. So we just give our little things to them so you can have food later and help buy your little medication and thing. Tell your little friends so she can afford to and come get for her little package. We don't know what the trouble is in the ghetto really, no, mommy. So we just there have to make sure so we assist, you know, and not just do the do. And not bribe thing. So nobody take it that way there. Alright, mommy? Hold your little one and just take care of yourself. We talk later. Yeah, mommy?
All right, my son, anything you say. I gotta take a little packet still. This would definitely help to put some food on the table and help with the medication. Thank you, my son. I hope you win here.
Yes, man, mommy, I hope so too. But take your time while go around a polling station for me. Yeah, mommy? Bless up yourself.
So, lady, Miss Winter, you drop out of your car. I'm glad never am to you still, but me have a question for you, ask you. Why you go vote and why you want your party for win? Because I see her in the orange.
You know, I want my party for win so I can continue for hustling in the street so I can buy my KFC and my soda every night.
So you nice lady, why you want your party for win?
I want my party for win because I want to continue to live free. I want to can thief light and water from JPS and dirty NWC when I have to pay no money and I have to worry about police come and antagonize with figure pay.
Sir, morning, I am a reporter. I need to ask you a question for the television. Why you go vote and why you want your party for win?
Why you want to come set me up on national TV? But just I go around the road, go support the NP, man, and just put the extra spot I'm supposed to put it. That or that, me nah not more to say.
Now we are going to head on over to the next community. If go ask them why them I go vote for the color t-shirt with them in. Follow me. Oh, old are you, young man? Are you even at the legal age to vote? I see you wearing a certain color t-shirt. Will you be voting for that party? And what is the reason why you will be voting?
We are talk about man, lady. You know, see, man, a big man. Me I go support my party and put my ex which party it's supposed to go. Cause I want Maidan to remain Maidan. And as long as Maidan Adidan, that are the blessing plan in action.
So to you now, young man, why are you supporting this party and why you go vote?
I support my party because my band come see my grandparents. I do that. My band come see my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, everybody in my family are that. So naturally, me have to support that.
But that is not a good enough reason, young man, to vote for the party there. So what are you saying? That you're a die-hearted member of that party?
Well, call it what you mean, Miss Lady. But that are that.
Well, that is it, my people. You have heard it from both political divides as to why them a go vote and support for them party.
Yo, John Star, oh, the lines are long in the polling station, man. I swear so when time I come around and say, what I easy 1-2, easy breeze for just vote and go back around and here. And John Star, the sun hot and lone sweater run down my back star. Channel star can't wait for just a rap and vote and go back around and behind star. And even have water and nothing at all. Yo, Channel star. One night the lady over this I said water, but voila, look on the price. The woman say 5 bills a bottle for you water. Judge God. Yo, rap and vote here, man, and go back around in my yard.
Yo, Brandon, where I going? See you come out to come vote for the MP still. Love and respect that still, sir. Regardless, I was still. You don't know, so yo. Our ends and we have to support our MP. So I respect that still one. But I really need for all the reasoning still in the youth. Hope you sit down and reconsider everything when I say to you over there, cause I don't know what things set, man. Yeah, really. So we need to really sit down and organize up everything and get this thing a plug in. That's it.
Yeah, man, nobody now can tell you to come vote. Then my party too. This to grow come see me. Definitely time coming and still feel our party take back some power. But anyway, really still the pandemic type of argument. Don't make you know everything already over the end. So yo, you know, depend where you're depending. So just go on with our vibes. Lego mission. Is it?
Alright, Brandon, man. I say I would, man. We link up in the street, man. I say I would.
One day if the boy done it really serious style. You know, so I really need to put some thought in this thing. See if we can use him carry out the mission. I really sit down and meditate, really deep little more still. Because I soon we can make a thing make sense. Yo, Tom, wagwan. You know, see a long time when I see a man like you in a place. Wagwan, what you did there? I rather to the election, they make a comeback in a place. Wagwan, you go around to go vote to. Wagwan. Talk to me, no man, Tom, man. A long time when I see a man like you in a youth. You got?
Who that? Brandon. Brandon the foreigner. So I go under Brandon. Give me a thing, no man. Give me a little thing, man. But not ask you nothing much. If I have my $100, put a little thing in my hand, man. Long time when I see you to you, Brandon. Yes, you got a foreigner, you come back and you do well for yourself, youth. Glad to see that still. So what happened? Beg you a thing, no man. Beg you a little thing, man. Want to buy one sardine and 2 slices of bread and box that together and make one sandwich and eat, man. Beg you a thing, man. Don't bother do me that, man. Beg you a thing, man. I know you have it, man. Just give me a thing, man.
Then how you know say me got a foreign time? How I go on with that? How you know that?
Some say Tom mad, some say Tom drunk, but me say Tom no fool. From me see me know see you touch on the eyes. Look on your pants. Look on your shoes. You don't see you clean youth. A youth will go up our eyes alone come back look so fresh. Yeah? So nobody go out like you want go around and think, Brandon. Me not forget about the $100. They get $100, man. Me really need it for true, man. Me hungry.
One thing, boy, you know, if you have my boy, you're full of argument, you know. You know you top. Someone hold over this stuff. Buaki night.
You know, say, come like a you mad doing a Brandon. Me fi walk in the hole, you're mad. Why you not walking in it? Just give me $100, man, and stop growing, man. Just give me the $100, man.
You know, from a tall time, say nothing no day, man. Not a goddamn thing day. Trick you, trick the crowd, man. But anyway, well, that 2 bills, yeah, but go buy your brother your sardine and do your thing, man. We circle and we'll catch up all of one reason at a time. You see? Just go and do the right thing, man, because I know say you're well smarter than you have a whole heap of knowledge. Man. So, yeah, what you say in the street, you see it?
Ashley, I would at me see how I can come up to say no orange shirt. A Brandon that. Look good there, Ashley, no Brandon that.
No little dirty boy, Brandon. Yes, man, I ain't see him when I see my name. Dirty Brandon, me know why you walk past me and I give me them little dirty idea, not dirty Brandon.
I come look pan people with them like a dirty eye. Dirty Brandon, you feel like so shit stain with? What kind of look that you give it doing?
You know, so I don't even go pay on no mind. But Pinky, how you look so? You come like somebody beat you if again you look like a wagwan. Or you bruise up, I look so Pinky. No, sir. You not tell you if you get beat up?
You see nobody beating up? I just chat your love chatting around and chat your love chat. Bright. Beat up me. Good body Pinky. I watch you like a eat that uptown girl, you know, one box so the I'm a jumper girl. How I feel like so everybody can just go running and beat up Pinky like a Pinky a weak fence. Could that bright? Look at you. Dirty Brandon. Don't get bright Brandon. Pinky and on a beating stick. I the care tap me turn up and drop off so me get the 1 and 2 like a bruises them. And I beat nobody beating him, so don't get bright. Beat up. Oh, you could have bright. Shh.
I hear you, Pinky, I hear you. But I can't go on. When I swear another time. Later, I go in my yard. I wonder where my baby had right, you know. Long time I not talk to your children and start from morning and one time I hear me nice thing and sexy voice. How I go on with her? When I get her ring and I hear what she go on with.
Hey, Brandon. How are you?
You know I'm there and I'm be there. Just there I go and watch the little election business where I go on the TV there. So where I go on with you, good?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Doing pretty much the same thing as you are, watching the election countdown.
Okay. But it look like a year party or if we win still them the way ahead of my party. But hold on there. No, sir, hold on. So a new counter just come in. Entire now man 29. When I know this one I look like it I got close door.
Definitely seems that way, which is very good for the country's democratic process.
Yeah man, you're right, you know, Rachel, because when you have a strong opposition, you know, that means that the government will rule I got keep and then toes definitely I got keep them on them P's and Q's. So yeah, you're right.
Well, let's see who's gonna win.
Then suppose I'm my party win, baby. Then what? What you gonna do?
What am I gonna do, Brandon? I'm just gonna continue doing what I've always been doing because nothing will change for me personally.
You're 100% right because I'm on in now to get up and try to figure out my way out, same way I not get no handout for a politician. So you're right, eh?
So Andrew, who you think I go win the election? Me are you?
Then if I know me Bro God, aka 1 p.m. And we not talk about the time. But put fun and joke aside still in the market. Whether me win or you win. Guess who win? The government win.